Now guys, it has been so bloody long since I've made a video. In fact, if you're watching this, it means I remembered how to actually make them. And if you actually are watching it properly, it means I figured out how to edit it. Anyway, reason for this video today is it is about how to make money on YouTube. Now, I've had my YouTube for, since I think 2002, 2003 maybe. I don't even remember exactly how long I've had it, but I think my first videos on my channel were put up in 2006. So back then, to make money on YouTube, it was so simple. Honestly, you just produced a video, stuck it up, and it was already monetized. Like, you can choose whether you wanted ads on it or not, but it was very, very simplistic. I had a bunch of my videos monetized when I first started putting videos on YouTube, and I didn't realize or understand the whole copyright thing, so I thought you could just use any song in your videos, whatever, and it wouldn't even matter. But it turns out that you can't, because I had a video with a Madonna song on it, and it got pinged for copyright, and I lost my monetization. So that was obviously a bummer, because I didn't get to make any money. I think I made $1 before I lost my monetization rights. So then I just didn't care anymore, and I didn't really put much on YouTube at all. So now, if you want to get monetized on YouTube, that's how you're gonna get paid, okay? There are account thresholds that you have to meet. And those thresholds are pretty simple. You need to get 1,000 subscribers minimum, and at least 4,000 viewing hours on your account in a single 12-month period. So basically, by the end of the 12-month period, that last month would reset back to whatever it was. So you've got to get the 4,000 hours in 12 months to get monetized. Now, the funny thing is, I got monetized. It's not funny, but I bloody got monetized, and it actually happened kind of by accident, because I projected it was going to take me about 12 months to get monetized with the views and stuff I was getting, because I only get between 50 and 350 views on a video, which, you know, it's not fantastic, but content just doesn't get out there unless you're you're getting favored by YouTube, and obviously monetized videos get favored by YouTube because they're the ones making YouTube their money. So having said that, I got lucky. I had a video that I made teaching people how to resync their PS4 controller to their console. And it was just one morning I got up to play PS4, and here's my controller, not synced. So I researched, figured it out, made a video, and it kind of caught on fire. Like, in 3 months, it's had 120 something thousand views, which, you know, in the scheme of things ain't that much, but I only have 1,200 or 1,300 subscribers, so it's not bad. But so that one video has gotten over 5,000 viewing hours, and it gets me about 100 subscribers a month. So it's amazing, like, you can just get lucky with one video. And instead of it taking me over a year to get the 4,000 hours, it only took me 3 months. So that's pretty cool. So when your account gets monetized, this is actually how you make the money. It's gonna meet YouTube standards to have the ads on it, okay? Obviously, if it's some crude video, they're not gonna want ads on it. So if you meet the standards, you can have the advertising on your video. You've seen them, the ad that showed up on this video, the skippables, the 30-second ads, things like that, the ads in between. Now, how it works is you have a CPM. A CPM is cost per milli, okay? And milli means 1,000 in Latin, I believe. So what that means is basically you get paid a certain amount per 1,000 views, okay? Now, my CPM right now is $1.08, which ain't bad, because I've heard of people getting like 60, 70 cents when they first start. So every 1,000 views, I make $1.08. Now, I don't know what the upper threshold is for CPM. I have heard $50, $60, $70. So you see those huge accounts that have millions of subscribers, okay? And then they get millions of views in a couple of days on a video. Think about it, if they're getting $40 or $50 per 1,000 views, these people are making absolute bank, okay? On my account right now, that one video is making me about $4 to $5 a day. Now here's the thing with YouTube. They take a whopping 45%. So if you make 10 bucks, they're keeping 450, which is why they do what they do. So having said that, think about that again. These massive accounts get millions and millions of views, and YouTube collecting 45% of the kitty. That's a lot of money. Now, once you get monetized, YouTube is more likely to push your content out into the public domain, because every cent you make, they're making 0.45 of that. So of course they're gonna do what they can to actually, maximize their profits. So being monetized is gonna help your channel. So having said that, the quality of your channel is a big deal. The way it looks when someone first clicks on your channel, you can see mine right now. I have some pretty good artwork that I did myself, and it attracts people. And then the second thing, you want to have decent thumbnails on your videos. Thumbnails are what's going to show up in the search column, okay? When you're scrolling through, and don't tell me you bloody don't go down rabbit holes when you start looking at videos, because I do. I'll look at one, I'll be watching, and I'll look over to the column, and I'm like, oh, I'll look at that one next, and then that one, that. 3 freaking hours later, you're still fucking sitting there, bloody watching bloody videos. So, having said that, thumbnails are a big deal, okay? If you have a look at mine, they're okay. I mean, I could probably improve on some of them, but they tell a story in themselves, and that's what attracts the viewer, okay? So thumbnails and the quality of the actual channel. Then the quality of the content. My earlier videos are pretty crap. My newer videos aren't too bad. I mean, I've got a lot to learn. The editing process is crazy, and I've had a lot of problems with the editing software. So I just started using DaVinci Resolve, and it's an amazing piece of software considering you can get a free version, and it does so much, but it's so complex at the same time. So I have so much to learn. I'm probably just gonna edit this one on Power Director. I've been having some issues with that one, and I think it's because I've been shooting in 4K at 60 frames a second. So I'm gonna try doing it on Power Director with the 4K at 24 frames a second, and see if it stops. It was actually getting jittery and stuff between cutscenes, and it was ruining entire videos. So anyway, this may be edited with Power Director. Putting out content frequently, 1-2 videos a week, is what's going to help you with the algorithm on YouTube. The more content you put out, the more the algorithm's going to favor you. Unfortunately, I've been a bit lazy. Well, I haven't been lazy, I've been busy, and I haven't been putting out content. So I think this is the first video I've made in like a month maybe. So now that I'm monetized, I'm going to be making more frequent videos and getting more information out there to you guys. I want to do a bunch of new stuff too. So, some more gaming stuff also, some gaming reviews. Need to do more car stuff. G8's almost finished, so we've got dyno videos coming out of that, burnout videos, stuff like that. So heaps of good shit. It's gonna be bloody awesome. All right, and then lastly but not least, okay, you want someone to watch one of your videos and recognize that it's you, so they'll keep coming back to you. So your title screen, like your intro, and your extras are a big deal. You can see on mine I had a graphic come up on the intro, and you'll see it on the extra too. But stuff like that really helps you, okay? It looks professional. People know exactly where they are and what they're watching and who they're seeing. So in a nutshell, guys, that is how you get paid on YouTube. It's pretty simple. You ain't gonna make $1 million overnight, that's for sure. This is a process. I know some YouTubers don't make good money until they're into like their 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th year. But for me, this is just a hobby. I enjoy it, and the fact is now I'm making a couple bucks, it's a bonus. So that's it. That's how you get paid on YouTube, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you will, because there is more stuff coming. And as always, keep it real, guys.